How to log in to Sam's credit account. Now, in order to log into Sam's credit account, you just simply need to open any of your browser and then search for Sam's credit card or Sam's credit. Then this first link of samsclub.com will appear. Just simply open that. And after opening it, you will get to see a lot of options in the samsclub.com/credit. Now, in order to log into your account, you just simply need to tap into these three bars from the top left corner. Tap in there and you will get to see the option of sign in or create account. Tap to that, and after tapping in there, you will get to see the login page in here. In order to log in, first of all, enter your email address and tap to continue. After doing this much, you just simply need to enter your OTP and password. Then you will successfully be logged in to your Sam's credit account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.